Healthy eyes are one of the 5 senses you want to preserve. Keeping them healthy starts today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It gives us a power to continue. Don't smoke. Smoking is terrible for your health, and it's also bad for your eyes. Smoking can cause cataracts and macular degeneration, diseases that affect the eye's central vision. These conditions are often irreversible, so you must quit smoking as soon as possible to keep your eyes healthy. Additionally, smoking can cause dry eyes, an uncomfortable condition caused by low humidity in the air around you, which causes skin cells on your face and body to lose moisture. Dryness may mean irritation or even redness of the eyeballs caused by rubbing against each other due to lack of water during sleep. Do wear sunglasses in bright sunlight. Sunglasses protect your eyes from ultraviolet light, which can cause cataracts and other eye injuries. Look for sunglasses with polarization, amber or brown lenses, to reduce glare. You can also choose polarized lenses that absorb some harmful blue light emitted by electronic devices like cell phones, tablets, and computers. If you wear prescription glasses or contacts with polycarbonate lens coatings on both sides of the frame, instead of just one side, it's best not to wear sunglasses when out in bright sunlight because doing so will block out more than half your vision. To maintain a healthy weight. Maintain a healthy weight. A healthy body weight will help maintain good eyesight, reducing the strain on your eyes and circulatory system. Being overweight can lead to diabetes, damaging the blood vessels in your eyes and causing them to become inflamed or even ulcerated. In addition, being fat increases the risk of high blood pressure, hypertension, which damages arteries throughout the body and heart, including those that feed vital organs like your lungs, kidneys, and brainstems. High blood pressure also increases the risk for stroke. This condition damages hands and feet by depriving them of oxygen at an accelerated rate, so they turn blue-black. This makes it difficult for people with hypertension symptoms such as headache pain when lying down because they won't be able to get up quickly due to lack of energy needed by muscles involved in the movement process required by sitting upright position after meal consumption. Do eat well-balanced meals. It's important to eat well-balanced meals. Eat foods rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and lutein. Vitamin C. This nutrient helps your body make collagen for healthy skin and bones. You can get it from fruits, such as strawberries, vegetables, such as broccoli, or supplements if you don't get enough through your diet alone. Beta-carotene. This nutrient is converted into vitamin A in the body. It plays a role in maintaining eye health by helping form proteins that keep vision clear while protecting against damage caused by sunlight exposure or too much stress on the eyes during physical activity such as running around outside all day long. Unfortunately, most Americans do not eat enough fruits and vegetables, so they need to take pills or supplements daily instead. Do wear safety glasses or goggles. Safety glasses or goggles are necessary for many workplaces. If you're unsure whether your job requires safety glasses, ask your employer what they recommend. You can also get a prescription from an eye doctor and buy the appropriate lenses at a store with safety eyewear departments, like Walmart. The frames should fit snugly but shouldn't be so tight that they pinch your nose when you put them on. They should have side shields that protect the wearer's face from falling objects. At the same time, they work on machinery in dangerous areas like factories or warehouses, and of course, never look at anything directly with these things on. Don't ignore vision changes. If you notice any changes in your vision, you must see a doctor. Some signs can indicate that something might be wrong with your eyes. These include a change in color or brightness of objects, light sensitivity or glare from bright lights, difficulty reading the fine print, if you have any of these symptoms, schedule an appointment with an eye doctor as soon as possible. If you're reading, writing, or using a computer for too long without taking breaks, your eyes will become fatigued. This is called eye strain, and it can cause headaches and migraines. To avoid eye strain, don't read, write or use a computer for too long without taking breaks. The recommended break time is 20 minutes every hour. Don't rub your eyes. This can cause injury to the eye and make any existing condition worse. Rubbing causes the skin around your eyes to be irritated, which can lead to infection. Rubbing also causes dryness, irritation, redness, and swelling in the areas around your eyes, the eyelids. Do have regular eye exams. Early detection of an eye problem gives you the best chance for successful treatment. Regular eye exams are essential for everyone, but they're necessary if you have a family history of certain diseases or conditions. See an eye doctor immediately if you have a family history of these diseases and conditions. You may need to get treatment sooner than you would otherwise, which could mean the difference between seeing clearly and getting lost in front of your computer screen. If you aren't sure whether there's anything wrong with your vision, ask yourself these questions. Does it hurt when I look at objects closer than 5 feet away? When I walk into a room with walls that are all white, or light blue, does everything start looking grey? Do work in a well-lighted area? Neon lighting is too harsh, and fluorescent bulbs can flicker, both cause eye strain. Use low wattage bulbs or natural light if possible. Don't wear dark glasses while reading or taking notes at the computer. This will interfere with your vision and make you tired faster than you realize. Instead of wearing thick, heavy glasses all day long, which may even make it difficult for people around you to see, try using a pair of clip-on sunglasses for reading purposes only. They're better for keeping your eyes comfortable and relaxed throughout the day rather than just when working on their computer screen. Healthy eyes are one of the 5 senses you want to preserve. Keeping them healthy starts today. Healthy eyes are one of the 5 senses you want to preserve. Keeping them healthy starts today. If you're not sure what exactly a healthy diet is or how much exercise is necessary for it, here are some pointers. Avoid sugar and processed foods. These significantly contribute to eye problems such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Get plenty of sleep every night, at least 7 hours. Lack of sleep can lead to headaches or migraines, affecting your eyesight. If you get less than 7 hours per night on average, this may affect your ability to see clearly in front of you at work or school, etc. Conclusion. Don't wait until you see signs of trouble. Schedule regular eye exams to catch problems early before they become serious. You must also maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating right, staying active, and avoiding stress as much as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, it give us a power to continue.